Decided to put this back for a bit. It doesn't seem to benefit me either way, wherever I put it. Turn loop off now. And shuffle. Okay, so what I need to do on host. GG, sorted. Okay. Now to be fair, I turned off computer without saving my notepad yesterday. So I didn't save any of my notes from yesterday. I mean, I still made the updates in the game, that's the important bit. The notes are just memory. I could probably go back to the stream and see them. Let's think now. And that works to a certain degree. Down then I have to stop and type something. Do I have that page open? Change the color. So actually the waves are no longer automatic, which is both good and bad. Yeah, see, it's not the most beneficial. I mean, this will still hit 1 or 2 here, this will hit 1 or 2 for 5 damage though. Maybe the damage scaled a bit too much. I basically just got to do this now, like a lot of testing on everything, so this is like the best time for me to do it. Is I'm going to sit there and play games for 4 hours. I might as well do this. Let's have damage scales, health scales. I mean, then again though, to still beat the wave, it wasn't impossible. Just had you on edge a little bit. I like the word maybe. Okay, again, it's to do with the tower placement, isn't it? I bet I would have a completely different result. Put you to 5 and put you on the corner. Put the damage back up, I guess. Yeah, see, now that's a completely different result than the first wave. So it is all to do with the strategy, the placement. That's something for people to figure out. I've just got to convince them that it's worth their time to do so. Work in progress. So let's go through. Idle defense using the system to build an army and then deploy down levels with rogue generated maps facing the opposing enemy force, which would yield on victory. The resource necessary to upgrade your battle system. Oh, we got through. Not having that. level 5, level 8. That's the best you can get there. Put that to 10. So do 5, 10. I mean, I do want to look at getting a missile one as well if possible. See, I know it's all based on the strategies and the placements, but I don't want to make it too difficult because then they're like, ah, I'm not doing this. Can't bother figuring it out. I've got to find a nice, I don't know, soft zone, easy area, whatever we'd call it. Something like that can really screw you up. Maybe, ooh, got through. It's close. Tell what I need to do. I feel like that would be a fair place to put that. Also, to put this here. That might work out a bit better. Because then you're using this, which is giving it double attack against that. That one got through though. But that one will definitely get killed. Just got to get this upgraded as soon as possible. Let's get this upgraded, come on. It gets 5 damage. So this is just going to do 6 in it. As I'll scale this now, I might have done it wrong. I might consider putting that down. I'll hover it there just in case I click by mistake. And it will cancel it. It'll cancel it, it won't place it. Yeah, just check. That's not firing twice. Or did they just get out of range? Yeah, the enemies do scale a little bit too much there. I forgot it out. I had it at 3 and I put it to 6. Yeah, so 6 times wave is probably too much. Yeah, okay. So let's go with, it was 3, let's go 4 or 5, or 4.5 times wave. Literally in half, like halfway between. Also for the upgrades. So let's think now. I want it to start at 5 and then go to 10. So I'll do 5 times. It's very simple, that one. The range increase the same, reload speed, that's fine. And we'll just check now. Are you missing a target here? Oh no, yeah, Purge went out of range, didn't it? Okay. So let's look at your upgrade stats. In fact, let's do it 1 times upgrade level. No, that's the exact same as 1 plus, isn't it? Never mind. Well, it's not the exact same, but I mean, it only increases by 1 each time. I could go with 2 times upgrade level. 2, 4, 6, 8, stuff like that. I'll just click that as if that's going to open it. Let's just keep that as 1 at the moment. Let's try this little adjustment. So let me just place this out now. I'll put that there. Put that there. I'll put you there. See how that fares. Super still gets past, but I mean, it'll be dead. That won't survive. That's the one. Let's put you to 10. I don't think it's too bad now. But is it too easy? I mean, I don't want you to lose at wave 3. I don't want you to be sat there at wave 80 like, yeah, mate, this is shit. Oh, the bosses. I didn't change the bosses, did I? I'm going to make like some sort of global variable for now. I'll figure out a different way of doing it. I'll just have it when a boss is in range, it triggers that, so it's like in range, and then it'll lock down the towers. But when it goes out of range, when you got overlapping ranges, yeah. So we have to tinker with the damage as well, because if your ranges overlap, it's going to be in range the whole time anyway, and you're still going to get killed. I mean, that's more on you anyway. You guys got to fix that. Insert page break. Where is it? Control Enter. Nice. Just gotta find something in a second now. As well, I can drop that down for a little bit. Oh. Unknown object dot sprite index. That's up for reading it. Empty enemy step normal event. Well, what's happening here? It's step 2. Line 7. Okay, what I'll do is I'll get rid of that. Trap.hits, trap.hits. I'll get rid of these. As pass speed equals 1. Okay, so the pass speed is fine. I'll get rid of the hit system. So can hit. Oh, what do I want can hit for now? Alarm 0. Alarm resetting collisions. So can hit and resetting speed. Okay. They're both fine. Yeah, okay, that works fine. So the wall and oil collisions. Yeah, okay, I want to change that anyway now. So wall and oil collisions. Like the boss, did I have some few then? I'll get rid of variable trap. Don't know if that's going to be the issue. Instance place. Oh, so no, I don't know. I don't know why it gives me an error. It did this last time where it sort of crashed once the enemy was about to die on top of a trap. I don't know why. But it's only looking for OBJ trap. So even if it's meeting a place of something else, maybe it gets confused. I don't know. But I'm going to do the trap's health system a little bit later via the traps as well. Go speed and reset speed. Okay. Let's try this one again. Oh wait, actually, hang on. Wall. If trap equals wall. All right, okay, I get you. Lost it. I don't know about that. Trap health equals 10. Okay, so each thing can do 10 hits. On collision with enemy, trap damage. Okay, so other dot sprite index is equal to SPR enemy small. Trap health minus equals 1. SPR medium okay, and then if large we'll do 10. In theory, oops. So the trap health works both wall and oil. So step event. Oh wait, destroying is there on the trap. Trap health. That's how that equal to 0. Instance destroy. For hits equals 10. So I'll keep that there just in case somebody wants to reference it, but I don't want to use it just for testing. I don't completely break it. So what did I do last time? So I still want that there. And put you there. And put you there. Do one time each. I've got 250. Okay. Okay, there we go, shot again, that's good. I was worried that something broke there where it wasn't shooting, but it was just the range. Something always gets through, but then it takes forever. maybe I should give them. That's too late now, really, to put it in. I was thinking maybe I should consider giving them a speed option. But it's like, one thing I was thinking, like all these ideas I'm having, I might not be able to do them now. But if you look at, like, what is it, Bloons Tower Defense, they're onto like Bloons Tower Defense 5, 6. The first one was, what, the first idea? The second one was basically the same with extra ideas. So it could be done in that respect. If I can make sure I find someone to take over, continue, like, I don't know, maintaining the style, what would you call it? Oh, I don't quite have enough down here. That's at 10. Yeah, so perhaps I need to alter the range as well because they're all increasing by 10. Maybe this wants to increase by 30, this increased by 20, so it's a bit different that way too. Maybe 25, I don't know, I'm going for even 10s, but let's see. I think the damage is scaling fairly nicely. Your basic towers are basic towers. But it's because I'm flooding them with the enemies on such a random scale. You are throwing strategy out of the window. And that can be both good and bad. It depends how well it executes. Hey Teddy, thank you for that shit. Looking kind of heading out. Have a great. I forgot that existed. Yeah, man, nice one, buddy. I hope you have a good time out. I hope you had a good weekend too. I forgot about the voice in the head. That's funny. But yeah, have a cool time. Oh, one never got through. This needs upgrading. See, maybe the price is too much now. I don't know, I'm always trying to make it a bit easier. Still 10 lives. The boss is about to come though. Yeah. I don't think I've got the defense to do this now. I definitely don't have the points. Like, just these two are not going to be enough to withstand all this. I'm not going to make enough points here. I think you do need to get more points. Maybe have the lowest ones 10. The highest ones, because I need them to buy more towers. Like, I need them to survive longer. I call it endless. It needs to be just that. I wanted to change the boss as well. Put it to in range rather than present. Yeah, it's got through. It's just, yeah. Because the problem is they'll aim at the enemies when they can't do nothing. They can't. You're done for. Oh, of course, the bullets must have still hit across. I see. Well, you did that anyway. Okay. So. Tower controls. Instance exists boss. I want you to target the boss, that's fine. I want the boss to be a priority, that's fine. Okay, so is it in the enemies collision with the bullet? So no instant. Alright, there we go. Okay, so. So if there's no global dot boss in range, then we'll work. So, not here. So it's actually done on the towers, isn't it? This might not work. I think so. If there's a boss, where is it now? The boss is within range and the ID is 0, put it to boss. Okay. The boss is positioned, get the boss position, ID is 0. Okay, so this one, if it is in range, what? Okay, if this one then, right, the boss ID is not equal to 0, so that means if we've captured one, otherwise it's 0. Sorry, no, staring it, otherwise it's 0. If we've captured one, we're going to set the directions. Global dot, boss in range equals true. Else boss in range equals false. Okay. I'm gonna put it global because I'm gonna put it in the master controller. Wait, I should keep that open for reference. Make sure I don't mess this up now. In there, in there. Okay. So it's not equal to this. If there is an instance of a boss, else it's there. So the boss there. Boss in a range. Oh wait, no. So it's a true. So then it should continue shooting. Oh no. Okay, yeah, so the boss ID is, yeah, okay, that's right actually. Because if it's not within range, the ID's there, so we're going to target the enemies instead. Not the bosses first. Okay, this is progress. making them completely immune is just not gonna. Pardon me. Hey, what no Woodface? How you doing, buddy? You had a nice weekend. We've still got the watermelons. I like that. That's a cool one. Forgot. So it's not equal to. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Oh wow. Never mind. You're part of the game now. I just lost my code. There it is. There we go. Wait, did I set that other one as else too? True. Tower 2. I'll just check now. I don't want to make a mistake there. No, yeah. Okay, good. So in theory, that should be good. So default will be false. Put that on the master controller. Economies. Where's it? Enemies, enemies, enemies. Picks and hover. That's for towers. Boss in range. I wish I could make my own game. You'd be able to one day. I'd say it's not too difficult, you know, if you really wanted to. You could look loads and loads of tutorials on YouTube. Especially where I learned the majority of stuff. I mean, I've been doing it for a while. Like, but it sort of builds itself once you know what to tell it to do, when to tell it. The majority of stuff it just works. Does that make sense? Put you there. Maybe. So I wonder what it's going to do if I put more tower placements instead of focusing on upgrades right now. Let's try it that way. Stuff still dies. You're not shooting twice still. Oh, have you got a long reload speed? Ah, okay. Long reload, not enough range. Yeah, your own fault. Get good. Not bad. How about yours? Mine's been pretty cool. Nice and chill. I mean, I've mainly just been focusing on this. Oh, someone got through, but it's been nice. I got to play a bit of Destiny last night, so you know, you got a little fix for that. That was nice. Let's see now. Could this one still take it out? Yes. It still works. It's just slow. But maybe the speed does need to be increased. My uptime is 40 minutes. That's good to know. Oh, Plam. I forgot about Plam. No way. Oops. I always do this. What's the tram now? What is happening here? something like that. Pardon me. There we go. We fixed it. Hopefully. That'll do. That was diabolical. I'll upgrade this a bit now. So I'm still thinking maybe the health scales a bit too much. Or maybe it is because of the random enemies. Oh no, because the random enemies won't matter too much if the health didn't scale too much. Croaky throat, man. That's why we do this. I forgot about Baby Shark too. I just need to clear my throat out a second. Should be good. Oh, someone went through. Yeah, so reduce the health a bit more. Let me see now. Start wave. Let me have a look. Where was it now? Oh, I've lost the folder. No, not the big bundle. Oh shoot, what was it now? Oh, I lost one again. Oops. So yeah, let's lower the health a bit. Maybe put it back to 5. Maybe changing it was a bit too excessive. Okay, maybe I had it at 3. Oh no, right, so it was 3, I put it to 6, it changed 4.5. Let's put it back to 3. What was it at 5? It was actually never at 5. How does this fare again? Put all your money into this one. Got 19 power. I got 20. So what if you were to then do that, do the flame one. See, that's the problem. If someone chose to just do that, what can I do about it? To make them have a maximum possible upgrade level based on wave. Nah, because it'd be too controlling, wouldn't it? Let me think. Because the idea of just doing the wave mod, any number, doesn't work exactly as I previously thought, because it's obviously going to be true for quite some time. I need to figure out some sort of switch, like, that would deactivate itself. So what's catchy? Look, see there. Okay. Just what's not got through yet, but something came close. No, I'm going to control S it, make sure I keep saving it. So yeah, so I don't get a notification that I've edited it. Whereas this, like, it'll give me like an asterisk sometimes if it's wider. Obviously not saved now. I've got a version open. But yeah, so I just dismiss this sometimes. I'll just control S it so it saves. Because yesterday I shut down the computer, but before I shut down, it tells me like this is open. It's like, oh yeah, close that, it's fine. And then as I clicked it's fine. I saw this as like, oh no, I didn't save it. And there's nothing I could have done. I just clicked it like, ugh. Hold on. Better look next time. Oh yeah, so there's boss here. Okay, I mean that went a bit better. Oh, what? Tower 3 boss ID is not set. How is Tower 3 boss ID not set? Boss ID. Oh. Oh, it's because placing it down within the range straight away, I guess. I guess that would happen on any tower. Well, in fact, why don't I just put it in the setup? It will always start by default with a boss ID of 0. And enemy ID, of course. Tower 3, put it on all 3 towers. Tower 2, Tower 1. And let's go again. Right, so let's go like that. I'm thinking as well, I'm thinking I should change the position, like on the code of where can shoot goes in terms of where when they turn around and look. But some people don't like it when they shoot and it looks at an enemy and it keeps following an enemy even though it's not shooting because it can't shoot yet. There's no visible representation of it reloading. Maybe I can find that via a sound effect. I don't know. I'm going to increase money per enemy. So smallest of 10, the bosses can be 50. 20 and 30 in between, something like that. So yeah, 10, 20, 30, skip 40 entirely and go straight for 50 with the bosses. But then it's like, giving the small enemies a value of 1 is kind of a kick in the teeth, really. Cool. Just been working like a conversation. Just going with top down. Kind of can't ask this really. Story progression, anything with the story, but yeah, you've got nothing to do. Maybe something we'd consider as medium. The black page there for some reason. So let's have a look. See, sorry, I just keep writing on this list here now. Not that you can see it because it's on the other screen, but you know. If you follow videos on Heresy Academy and somehow found you on Twitch, I want to ask you if I could bother you with a quick question. Quick question, real quick. Yeah, man, what's the question? I kind of forgot about that channel. I need to revisit that. Oh yeah, because the feature channel is TheCyberFlash, let's see. Upgrade this one more time. So now it's sort of seeming to last a bit better. But I still want to change the money. I don't know about the speed increase yet. The boss is possibly sorted now. Wall and oil collisions. Sorry that. Oh, music's gone. I hate this now. Video pause. Continue watching. Of course, I want to continue watching. The one got past. That's fine. I mean, that'll probably take out. See, the variety works, but still, I've only got 3 towers. I've got no incentive to put more towers yet. Which is suppose both good and bad. Don't know what happened there. Oh yeah, these got crazy amount of crazy amount of health now, haven't they? I mean, it still works though. So I've not got the global thing set up yet, have I? Where is it in range, I guess? Yeah, I suppose that kind of works. Oh, you could start the wave whilst it's active. That's not necessarily a bad thing, I suppose. Following the idle game series of Unity, I'm wondering if you're ever coming back to make a follow-up tutorial. I really should, shouldn't I? It's one of them things I wanted to get back to. I don't know how many times I sat down and was like, oh yeah, I'm going to continue this. How is it my fruit stall? Yeah, I'm not fucking... Damn. Yeah, I'm going to look at sorting this out. I do want to get back into making these videos. Where did I get to? Sorting out the clicking, upgrade manager, redesign UI images, set up upgrades menu, extra scrolling. Yeah, so let me just put this down. There's kind of videos. Need continuing. I can't. I've probably not even got the paper anymore. Yeah, it's in there for like the new year. I want to start looking at making these videos again. Since now I'm streaming more and everything. That's what I want to do. Because I'm thinking once I finish this game, I'm going to make a series on how to make this, like all the features I've done, not just a basic tower defense, but any extra features I've made. But yeah, so we'll look at an autosave. Because that's one main thing in those games, isn't it? The ability to, well, to not lose your progress, I suppose. Yeah, I'll come back. Yeah, I don't know if I will post to that channel. Yeah, okay, maybe I'll just rename the channel, carry on that way. But it won't be Heresy Academy, but I'll keep the channel so I don't lose the videos. To finish existing videos. What else do I have on there now? I had like platform and stuff, didn't I? I mean, it's platformer though, isn't it? But yes, we need to learn some stuff. Unit 5, Unit 5, Unit 5. What's the name going to be? I might just call it CyberFlash Game Dev Tutorials or something like that, just to continue my CyberFlash name. Well, after Christmas, I'll put a video on there again. Just a general update. Wow. I put a video on there 2 years ago, 15th of September. Hey, tutorials are resuming. Yikes. Will be fixed in 2019 and resume tutorials properly. But yeah, I might name it something to do with CyberFlash. My bad. But that's actually one thing I've been considering since making this is getting back into making them videos. How are you doing anyway? Have you been doing game dev for long? Maybe I should consider putting a tower down here now. Put a page break there. This is fruit stall tutorial. I went to see what your newest video was and I saw it said new intro, so it's like nice, you still did intro. That's what I said 1 year ago. Yeah. That was like, I mean, Heresy Studios and Heresy Academy, that sort of stuff doesn't exist anymore. I'm now doing something else. I wish I'm CyberFlash on Twitch. It might be a good idea to follow that. Yeah, I'm new, but not that new. You know what I mean? I see. So would you say like you know your basic stuff? It's just the stuff that most tutorials don't cover. You gotta go figure out for yourself. That sort of level. Most of them have crap programming, so even made one that worked well top down side view would be pretty good. Then experience in mobile. Insert the page break. Why are these as titles? These should be just normal text. examples. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, man. Is there anything like you're specifically trying to work on at the moment? I suppose maybe an idle game. Upgrade this one. I'm a bit happy with the flow of this now. I mean, I want to give more money though. So how did I do this now? So small can be 10, 20, large can be 30. I'll make the boss give him 50. Yeah, I'm not going to give you money if you lose, that's fine. Okay, let's try this again with all new stuff. What engine are you using for this game? So this is with Game Maker, or Game Maker Studios. There you go, made with Game Maker Studio. I got this a while ago, it was on Humble Bundle. Some sort of, well, it was a bundle sale quite a while ago. And that was whilst I was doing Heresy Academy, so it's actually about 2 years ago, or maybe a year ago, where I said tutorials are resuming. I was interested in going back to this, but using this engine, and just didn't happen. Is this gonna be too much now? That, well, let's wait free. Let's let it progress a bit. You get more money now. I want it to be a suitable scale, like a level of scale. Let's put a wall there. I'll stay there forever. Maybe need to reduce oil. See how it goes. I'm going to add the game, but like my own twist on it, different graphics. I'm going to add some extra functions later on. That's the main thing with idle games. Like, you can make, it's very simple to make. Like, you could have it here. You just click at HQ, get some money, upgrade, and it's just that concept is there. It's been done quite a bit, but then it's obviously so you put your own extra functions in there. That's what will make it sort of rock. So maybe we've got too much money now. I'd rather have too much money, too many towers, than not enough. So maybe do an upgrade cap. Maybe. Right now, focus on saving player prefs. Ah, I see. Okay. I mean, I don't know. By the time I get to put a video on there, you'd have probably figured that out already. Player prefs Unity. Maybe we can get some info quick. I need to call this much money inside on application quit. Windows store apps when this forward preference save during application no event. So there's a boss present. I think they've got like 300. Hey, thank you for that follow. Much appreciated. Yeah, maybe it's a bit too powerful now. Too much money. I know. It's just a balancing game. Can't do it. It's the flames now, so we're doing 20 damage now, so maybe they do too much damage. But again though, they do more damage to the medium ones anyway, so it's supposed to do that. Meh. Right. I'll have to look at sound effects. I reckon I'd be kind of happy with it. Well, yeah, reduce HQ. What's going on now? So the damage is how 1 is just equal to. Okay, that's fine. So that's equal to upgrade level. So maybe they're too low. But these ones doing 2 times, so we're doing double the level. But the specialty with these, unless we make these just be your upgrade level. Since now you get more money, we don't want to make them too strong. So keep that upgrade level because it can still go through all the enemies. So we don't want to make it too good. Tower 3. 5 times upgrade level. Drop you to 3 times. This is always my problem with these kind of games, is figuring out the maths. Like, I've got an obsession with balancing it, but I don't want to balance it too much. I want there to be a possibility of you winning and playing for ages. Oh shit, oh wait, why? Don't know how I place them down first. Press that first. It's gonna be way too easy now, isn't it? Yeah. What is exclamation mark lurk? It's just something you put in. I'll just put it now. It's just something that pops up when people come by to lurk for the channel. They'll keep the stream open and helps you get an extra view count. They just let you know that that's what they're doing, kind of thing. And then if you put exclamation mark lurk, it just returns a thank you message. Yeah, see now, well, now nothing's getting passed. So if we make the upgrades, alright, okay, here we go. Upgrade price increase. If I increase the upgrade price instead, so the new upgrade price, so start that at 50 and oh wait, no. Oh, so if I'm watching the stream and I go to new tab on Google, it removes my view. If I do look, I don't know. If you go to a new tab and you keep the stream open, it won't remove your view. It's more, but if you were to put the stream open and then right, I'm going to go away anyway, I'm not actually watching, you're just sort of saying, hey, by the way, I'm here, I'm just not here, kind of thing. Does that make sense? Position meeting. So if you click it, show menu is 1. So upgrade. Maybe I don't need a new upgrade price. Maybe I can just use the standard one. Plus equals, my bad. See, for now, I don't really want to keep putting it in manually, but why do you look different? What am I missing here now? Oh yeah, okay. It kind of helps if the sell price gets increased. Oops. So what's Tower 2's price? Probably 100, wasn't it? Oh right, yeah, okay. So I want to increase it by half. On Tower 3. So make sure you've actually got the sell price. You don't have a sell price. It's because I set it up on the one here. So sell price equals 50. Start off with half. I'll do the same for Tower 3. So this one costs 200. So we'll increase this by 100. So Tower 3, you need a sell price. Okay, theory this works. Then it's harder to get the upgrade, but you still get more money. You can put more towers, we'll go for an upgrade. Okay, there you go, that works. Alright. So, put you there. You can still get OP pretty quick, so I'll start off with like 500 money instead. Try that out. People tell me I'm obsessing over the maps and stuff, but it's like it's a massive feature in this. I'm like the enemy's scaling. Wave 3, okay, we're winning, that's fine. But wave 5, do we get absolutely destroyed? Do they get destroyed? I need like the perfect imbalance. Have an imbalance. Just in case. How much did that cost? Did that just take 200 off me? That wall just cost me 200. Why? Place traps. Okay, who's calling this now? Oh, the trap cost is argument 1. So where do we call it now? Is it in the step, wave control, begin step, tower control, selecting tower? Is it in your own? So I forget now. I'll look at other things on my project and do the same function last because I have not done anything all day. Oh dear. What we could do is like you could get everything else working and then just so that saving feature comes soon, I suppose. If you're due to come. Not doing anything all day because I've tried to figure it out all day. Okay. Also, one question for the actual stream: how many donations do you get per day, or week, or month on average? Not it's not so often here at the moment. It's like it could average maybe 1, maybe 2. It's not I don't know what you would call it. It's not a thing that happens very often, if that makes sense. Oil cost. Well, there's some that get like loads throughout the stream, but that's not really what I'm aiming for. That should just cost 50. Why did it cost fucking... I don't know why it took 200 off me. But yeah, it depends who you get watching you, really. If you get someone with lots of money, you never know. That one worked. The collision happens too quick on the wall. More defense game, so platformer. So that's going to destroy it straight away, that's fine. I mean, if Mr. Beast was watching your videos, yeah, that's the guy, isn't it, Mr. Beast? Yeah. If that level of person, if I was able to interest that sort of person, I'd be so rich. But no, I think you've got to sort of do something different than just think of money. I'd say. Like, I'm sat here basically. I'd normally play like Destiny or something like that. I'm just using this now because this is the most time I'm going to sit down at my computer doing something. So I might as well be making a game. If money happens from a game or from a donation or from anything like that, that's just an added bonus. So this is working a bit better. I got distracted, so I didn't place any towers. Kind of works. Do you have any games uploaded anywhere? Yeah, let's see if we can get that link. So you got a version of this game, or that link, and then oh wait, that's the wrong link. Just that one. And then this is the only thing that properly works at the moment. Let's see now. It's published. So that's like the main one. This is just something they're doing for a game dev, and these are just our test things. I think we can change that around somehow. But yeah, I'm also just on Game Jolt. I'm looking at other things to do, but I'm trying to make sure I focus and finish on a project and get this finished, and then work on other ideas or vastly improve what I currently have. I've started off with simple ideas for now, but I feel like I need to do something above average for it to matter. Game Drop Games. There we go. Update the link. That'll do it. Do you work for a company called anything? Not in terms of games. I work as a web developer as like as my job. I don't do any game development as a job. This is all late night hobby stuff. What about you? Is that something you're looking at getting into? Oh, I still hit it. I might not show reload speed because the player won't understand the number really. Just a random countdown. But this is feeling a bit nicer now with the upgrades. The upgrade price increasing. You are making bank then. Not really, no. I wish. I make enough to get by. One day we'll make bank. Can't even get a job. Ah, I see. This is pre-job. Pre-job training, isn't it? By the time you can get a job, you'll be an expert. I remember that one. Look at different options to be sure which ones we'd want. Even that is one is doable. Something ridiculous. $250, I can't upgrade that one yet. Well, that one, that's 300. There we go. So yeah, so they are getting past. I've got enough towers to keep them stable. It's only wave 11. Nothing crucial is happening. I feel it's a bit more comfortable now. Just a little bit. You still get paid more than the people at MCs. What's it? MCs? MCS? I would call that bank. Well, yeah, I mean, if you... I still get paid, so yeah, you get money. That's the start. It's better than nothing. You just work on it from there, don't you? Oh, I just click sell. I didn't even look at that. My fault for saying, oh yeah, I need to do the buttons as well, actually. It's my fault for saying, I'm not going to give anyone the option to say, are you sure you want to sell? But, yep, you're selling it. Ooh, base defense new. No way, I haven't downloaded it. Bollocks. Let's get on the drive real quick. I need this one. Oh, it's all bundled together as well. Damn. Textured objects. So we can quickly download that. Nope, I can't. Okay, great. I'll have to get that afterwards. Are these games final graphics? Let's think now. I think so. Yeah. We've got the textured. Oh, you got textured enemies as well. Yeah, it's all. These are all the final stuff. I mean, the upgrade button needs doing. The front page needs doing stuff like that. But I'm pretty sure this is the end result now. Where'd you get your graphics? There's a chap that's made them. I found him on GameDev.net. I made them with I don't know if you've heard of Kenny. I made a version with the free assets that I can find online for Kenny, and then I posted that version and asked if anyone was interested in making some artwork, and someone was interested, and this is what we got. Which I think will look pretty cool. Look, there you go, see that's how the lurk works. Cheers, Watermelon Face. You might be going live now, let's have a look. Yes. If I was to get that and get that, download them both together. Okay, it zips them. I'll do it. Okay, so quite a few getting past now. See, that'll hold 2 back. You'll probably destroy that one anyway. Yeah, it's all good. But they're making more progress without absolutely doing a game over. So I like this now. For 50, because it's still got to come back, like it's dead there. It's still got to come back around, so we'll hit these towers again. And so I want to put something here next, really. I feel like this is more acceptable. So now just to clean up on the oil, the HQ, speed increase, no. Increase money per enemy is done. Random enemies, let's let that be. No, done. Wall collision too soon. I need to change that. I need to fix that. Maybe even just simply putting the cannon there would be good. So there's not much variety in the towers, which I might look at for a later update or a different version sort of thing. But for now, I'm happy. This could do well. So once that pops up, I've got here for guns or sound effects. Look at them afterwards. Here. Extract, let's go. Ignore that one. I've got a bug with Google Drive for some reason. I can't just export, like, I can't just download something that says you've not got permission. It's like I clearly do. But anyway. No. Possibly that one. No. I don't know what he's used. No. Nope. Nope. Oh, this is gonna bug me. Frames. This one. Oh, well, it's that one, but what, have you combined it with something? Yes, that's definitely the border of it at least. I'm pretty sure I've still got the sizes for these. Oh, what if I didn't save it? I don't have them. When did I do the upgrade buttons? I'm so lucky. 121 is the width. What was the height? I think the height was 56, possibly. Yeah, 56. Okay. What was it? 56, 121. Or 121. 56. Toolbar again. Why do you not stay? I hate this. What happens if I just put it to 56? Does it stretch too much? Because I'm going to edit it anyway. So it's just the border I really care about. Anyways, send that off. Auto crop this. What's in the way? Oh, okay, do it a different way. Let's think. Do that. Yeah, it's got the undershadow. That's fine. Right, get rid of that. What was the other thing I found? Possibly this. That looks like it could have been the way it was done. Okay, cool. Write it down. Select this. Cut it all. 121, 56. Does that look like it would be acceptable? Please be the exact same. I hope I've not messed this up. Okay, it's looking the same. It's hoping I've got it right. Come on. I would accept that. At least for now. Let's see a one tower survival thing. See if we get messed up now. Oh, it's going to be a tough one. Let's still catch him come around though. Yeah, I'm liking this. Maybe do a wave completion bonus too. No, there's no point adding that now. I'll see if that's necessary. The stuff we're getting through. Yeah. June. So the physics. Make that be normal text, platformer. Just got to rearrange something on here, and then I'll press play again in a second. Cool. So, can I upgrade one more time? I can. See, I don't think one tower is going to cut it, especially with the varying damages because of type. We'll see, we'll see. I mean, yeah, it'll be fine. Like, these ones getting past, they won't get past that little bit there, surely. Do you know what it's called when you, for example, click on a coin and a smaller coin falls out, like it did when you showed us what the finished project was going to be like in the fruit stall? You could call it spawning, like when you spawn in a coin. Oh, what was it? Yeah, in Unity, what was it? Instantiate. Instantiate object. See, I think it's called instantiate. It's been a while. Object.instantiate. This is the one. So the original position returns instantiated done. Clones the original object and returns the clone. So yeah, you could basically do this. Object.instantiate, and then you can set the obviously like you can set the original one. You can give it a transform. You can give it the rotation, set its position, stuff like that. So you can make it spawn in You could transform it, like, so you could copy your coin in the middle, spawn in smaller, and have it drop. You know, you can do all sorts of it. I think that's what you mean, instantiate. I always think it means initiate. If I were to Google it, what should I type? You should type what I wrote up there. Like the thing in the quotations, object.instantiate. So then there's the Unity documentation as well. So that'll tell you how to write it, what your parameters are. So your original will tell you which object it is you want to make a copy of. This is what you're on about. This one. So if you were to click the coin, so what would you write? Unity on click, instantiate on click Unity. There you go. That's what I would Google. If I was to sort of look for that, that's what I would look for. I don't think explaining the logic behind it will help you very much, but yeah, Google that. I mean, because your on click is just your condition. Like you could do it for anything. You could do it if you were to press the left button key or the up the arrow key sort of thing. You just want to make sure you know what your condition is. So it's on click. Attach that to your coin, and you tell it to instantiate an object. Give the object some gravity, or just tell it to move down at your preferred speed, whichever you choose. And you're sorted. I think these are going to get through now. I don't think I'm going to beat these. I need 2 hits each. Maybe. Ooh. Okay, yeah, fair play. Actually, I've been helping out a lot. Hey, no worries. I mean, that's what I want to do, so that's good. It's been a while since I used Unity, so I'm a bit rusty, so I need to get back into it anyway. 2018.2. Yikes, they've changed a few things, but this still stays the same. But yeah, see, I've been using Game Maker, and it's good for what it is. It does its job, but I've been finding quite a few things where I've had to ask someone how to do this. It's not working, and say, oh, it seems like you can't do it. And that's like, what? And we'll talk theory about how you can do it. But it just shows me that I need to consider using something else. So I'm thinking of going back to Unity at some point. Let's have a look at this now. Oh no, I don't want the store. Skill with home. Oh, I don't want that. Can I just have a page that tells me? I probably want Unity Pro, don't I? Oof. $125 a month. I thought it was a one fixed fee. So what's personal? Is that free now or what? I don't want training services. But can I release a game with the personal edition? Yes, let's store. Get serious with Unity Pro. See, I'm interested in this. What's Unity Plus actually? I didn't see that one. Oh, yeah, there. Choose one available top rate. Oh, I don't want that. See, it's the monthly payment on Unity Plus available to use for individuals who have annual revenue or have raised fund of 200,000 or less. Yeah, well, I'm not interested in paying subscription fees just yet. Your company currently makes more than 100k annual gross and raise funds unless you are not permitted to use personal prototyping or otherwise as defined by your agreement. You may use Unity Plus to that. Yeah, I know what options to get though. Like, I don't want it to always come with like made with Unity. I don't know. I mean, it's not the worst thing. I suppose it's status nowadays, isn't it? Oh, you use Unity. Great, must be good. I suppose. If it works out. I'm just not down for the whole, let's pay $25 a month just yet. Or maybe I could start that if you were to just about to release that. You need to make more than 25 before you spend more than 25. The made with Unity splash screen can be customized with your own blurred background image and your own company logo in addition to the Unity logo. Plus and pros provide options to turn off the splash screen completely if you don't want it. Okay. Project settings player, splash image, splash screen. Well, yeah, see, that's not too bad, is it? Your stuff here, made with Unity, that's still, I'd be fine with that, I'd be happy with that. That's the only thing I'd hate is like branding, but that's perfectly fine, I wouldn't mind that at all. It's like, I'm not afraid to say, oh, I use Unity. It's just this one bugged me a while ago. I don't know if this is how new this is, but you used to just have this like made of Unity. That's all you could do as far as I was aware. This is like years ago. I don't know when it updated. And the boss is here, so the HQ changes. That's fine. Take on the boss. Take on the boss. Okay, so they're now immune. Whilst the boss is in range. And they're still immune. Ooh. That's why I'm testing. Okay. So, how do we fare now? It's gonna be game over then, isn't it? Okay. Tower 1. Maybe get rid of that. If none exists, get rid of that. Okay, do it that way. I think that's why I put the non-exists option. Is like to clean this stuff up, but I just forgot about it, I guess. Hey Dub, how's it going? Still working the same game? Yeah. That's a good thing, is it not? I don't live in the world where you close your eyes and the game is made. I wish it was that easy. I just have to do, I'm basically just testing stuff now. Like, I've got to get the maths right. Right, I'm just sort of adjusting small things, getting it all working. Let's see this now. I think you made a great point when you said you have to make $25 from Unity per month to pay. Yeah, I mean, if you're going to be spending money, you should be making money, in my opinion. Like, if it's a one-off fee, if you were to say, like with Game Maker, I got a bundle on Humble Bundle, I think it cost $15 or $20, this was a couple of years ago, and it gave me the Pro license. Like, it says there, Professional Edition. That's enough for me. I paid it once, I'll use it. I don't want to be paying it like all the time. Much ready to get shipped. It's almost ready. I'm hoping to release this latest version tomorrow. I just need to change some things. I've changed the buttons now. I'm going to reduce the size of this, reduce the size of those. That just destroyed itself. That was not good. Okay. I forgot about this stuff then. See, this is why I'm testing it now. Go away. Oh, of course, yeah. Oops. I know. But yeah, so it's almost ready. I need to make some edits. Somewhere down here. Oil size, oil sprite collision code. I need to clean it up and make sure it runs quite well. Could be a programmer there at Ubisoft. I don't think I'd be good enough to work on Division 2, but yeah, I should work there. Well, how are you doing anyway? How's your studies going? Tried to get you in on a raid this Saturday. Yesterday, I think it was. On D2, but you didn't answer Discord. That's all good. Next time. I think I can do it. If you work really hard, you probably have to manage it. Yeah. That's what you're currently learning, isn't it? So study a bit, see it through, you'll be fine. You got this. Got to turn my notifications. Ah, yeah. Well, I mean, notifications can be a bit spammy sometimes if you're not actively playing at the time. You're going to get tagged a few times to try and see if people like, you want to raid anyone, and they'll tag D2. So having them off is fine as well. But it's all good. I think they're planning one for next weekend. You should see it in the raid channel. Light level's still pretty low. That's okay. You managed the first area. We've taken, what was it now? 2, 3, maybe 4 weeks ago. We took someone through. What was they now? I think they were 540, 550, something like that. We took them all the way through. I want to be 590, so I don't want to get carried. Well, that's up to you then, isn't it? Yeah. Nobody would mind, but yeah, it's all good. He's been dead by now. I've had more towers. I'm just testing out this one tower. What's this now? Splash screen, go away. Just subscribe, but I need to assign a seat. How to do that? Access new subscription. Oh, you can add people, can't you? Records and information contained in the license file no longer matches the machine it is living in. This is commonly called by reformat machine. Fair play. So what can you export to? I wonder. Because it's been a while since I've looked at this now. Unity export options. Can you export to everything? I mean, I know how to, that's fine. No, yeah, packages, that's the wrong thing. That's for putting it on the store, innit? Multi-platform. 25 platforms, yeah. Tell me I can do it with a personal license. So I want to do console, but you've got to actually get into these. You have to be in their system to allow it. But the web ones are good. Are you a professional creator? Choose Unity Pro. What's the definition of professional creator? Someone with lots of money to spare. Before you even start programming, I got an Android developer account. and I have an iPhone, but I got it because for an Android account I have to pay 25 once, but iPhone, yeah, that as well. I'd rather make Android games and just pay the account once. Is it once per app or once for the whole of everything? Like if I was to choose mobile, I'd go for Android based on that one fee. But if that one does well, then I'd have enough money to pay for iPhone. With iPhone, is it 100 a year? You have to keep renewing that one. I think it is, isn't it? It looks super simple. 2 more weeks of the semester left. Ah, okay, yeah, man. You'll be there soon. I just have so many assignments to do. Well, as long as you focus on the assignments, you'll be fine. Destiny will still be there. Nah, I got fruit. Nah, you didn't. I cheated. I didn't cheat, but you know. Take a game programming this semester up to a final project. Right now, by choosing a game to make in model game C#, I still can't figure out what to make, even though there's 2 more weeks left. Still though, I don't want to fail this course because it's my future career. Right, you've got 2 weeks. How good does the game have to be? Like, you could put stuff together in a day, but how good is it going to be? Like, if you got a set of requirements, it's got to do this, this, and this, or anything like that. I'm going to put a wall there, just to, that's the point of having them. Look for you, buddy. Hey, how you doing? Just once you have it forever. Okay, nice. That's good. Get serious. It's time to get serious. I'm serious. Seriously not paying your fees. I don't know. It's definitely something. I know I like this program from when I used it, but I decided like something like this would be good for 2D games. Unity is good for 2D as well. I just prefer to use Unity for 3D. Just not something I'm doing at the moment, but I might go back to C#. See, 1 tower is enough. What is it too much? Well, it's not enough now, is it? You'll damage these, but that was ridiculously weird. Did you notice the bullets there? Okay, so it damages them again, that's fixed. If it exists the boss, that's fine. So the boss ID is not 0, that's fine. So the direction didn't change, that's fine. If an object exists, what's this? The boss ID is equal to 0, that's fine. I don't know what to do here now. So maybe instead of doing this twice, I should now put this as its own little feature. Because I've got it repeating it, and I knew this would cause issues. Because now it's getting confused on the direction it should go in. Oh, I just lost loads of life. Oops. Well, hey, well, I suppose that means that 1 tower can't survive. That's good. That means you have to put more than 1 tower. I'm happy. Why did I do that? I don't want to buy that one. Let's buy that one. Let's see how badly this one will do. If you make streams on Unity, that would be great. like you can also do the programming for Heresy Academy here live, just for more content. It will be better because if anyone's confused, they can ask live after upload it to the YouTube channel. Yeah, that's a good idea. Have like a live dev session. I mean, when will it be now? Towards the start of December, I'm going to go back to playing Destiny 2 properly. So I'll be doing less game development then. Oh, can you make it? Okay, nice. But I'm thinking like maybe Friday and Saturday do some game development streams. And then yeah, basically I'll be uploading that content to YouTube from there. So you've got no backup. Okay, that's good. How do you let's put you here. Upgrade buttons look nice. Yeah, man. I'm glad they do. I don't know if I should make them like reduce the height a little bit, perhaps. Maybe drop 10% scale. Oh, someone got past already. This is good. Still got through, which is still got destroyed. I need to create animation. Oh yes, for my game I need to have a main menu. So what are you using? Because for a main menu, like you could just have a picture, just a blank picture, the title of your game, play, quit. Like that's what I've currently got. I need to do that for mine actually. I forgot. Like I've just got a blank image. It's just oh yeah, I need to do this as well. Before I forget. But you know, click play, it works. Click quit, it quits. But that won't take you like 5 minutes. That you don't have to worry about that if that's what's worrying you. What's this now? Objective goal. That's weird. Okay, cool. But yeah, I'm thinking this is good. What do I want to do? The HQ. Well. Why are you open? Go away now. Go away. Go. It's currently 192. I was to transform, scale it. Let's just take 80% off. I don't want to make it too small. The center point's still the same. Let's go with that. What else do I want to change? Oil slick. So it ends at 64 by 64. That's fine. Take 80% off that. Wait, no, not trim. .64 by 64. That makes that smaller. Let's see how it's going. Oh, our phone's flashing. Oh, some new drama. Wonderful. Cool. It's a bit smaller now, so I don't know what I think of that, to be fair. Oh, yeah, also that. Thinking of making a battleship RPG game where the player is a battleship trying to destroy other ships while the enemy ships look back at the player, and the player also has to avoid mine, stay alive. The goal is to see how many ships you can destroy before you die. Try to beat high score. That could work. Let's have to destroy as many ships as possible. So would you move as your battleship or would you be stationary? Shoot back. I said look back. I meant to say shoot back at the player. Has to avoid mines. Okay, so you do move. That could be a cool one. I don't think I've seen one done as a battleship. It makes me think of like a space shooter, you know. This is a nice little take on it. You should totally make that. You got 2 weeks to do it. Like, you could do that. You're well good at that stuff. What for broke? What did I break? Oh, that's it. Okay, so right, so instead of repeating this 3 times now, this is better. So I still want the same trap health to go, but also if my sprite index, no, yeah, have I got 2 sprites? I think so. Okay, there we go. Instance destroy other. So if it's a small sprite, it'll take 1 off my health. Medium will take 5. Large will take 10. Destroy it straight up, basically. Okay. And then on the enemy side, I don't need that anymore, but I'll leave it for now. Can hit is true, yep. So you'll reduce your speed. That should do it. I want the speed to reduce and then go faster again. So I think I've got this sorted now. Spacebar to shoot, yeah, that works. So that doesn't work. So this is on the enemy now, because for some reason, so if can hit equals true, can hit equals false, is can hit something I've got here? So position meeting trap, so I don't need that stuff now, because the only thing I'm meeting is the trap. That's what's, oops, too much. That's what we got going on. Oh my days. This only annoying thing is doing this, like, could just use the mouse, but for some reason I insist on using the keyboard. Right, so if can hit equals true and his pass speed is that, that's fine. Maybe I ignore. Okay, okay. Ignore the whole can hit stuff now, and allow it to just reduce the speed -2. Yeah, as long as it's free, -2, -2, -2, else it's going to be equal to 1. Then after the collision, we're going to do all this stuff. Okay, that might work. It can be a simple game like that, and you can still achieve 89% above because you still achieve the requirements of the project. Okay. Most of the assignment is creating a main menu. I don't want to like sound snobbish. I think one of the easiest things you can do is create a menu. I'm trying to figure out how to make the ship animated. I can't find anything online for animated ship sprites unless do you know how to create your own animated sprites? I do, but I'm not an art guy, so you're on your own on that one. Wait, no, better idea. What sort of ship? No, he said tower defense. I don't want tower defense, but you said battleships, didn't you? Could you change your theme to be pirates? Do I have a copy of this pirate pack? Not on this computer, I doubt it. That's a space shooter stuff in it. Damn it. So much stuff I bought and downloaded. I mean, does your project say that you've got to create your images? Because a big part of game development is finding your images. If you can't draw them, you should get extra marks. Let me see now. Ships. Right, so you'll have ships, you've got different damage sprites. So what sort of animations would you want to do? Because the movement one, you just move it. You could set the explosion, just set it to spawn. You could set that one, and that one. I have an idea. Okay. I mean, this is gonna dickish. SPR example. That didn't really work out. There we go. Okay. You've got an explosion there with 3 sprites. You don't have to do anything. You just tell them to play consecutively. Sort of thing. So you don't have to actually animate anything. You just got 3 images, and I mean, this is using Game Maker. It's different for different things, but you could do something along these lines. For like an explosion, for example. For the ships. Same sort of story. Is that how that ends? Okay. I feel like there should be more to that. That one too, perhaps. Oh yeah, the burnt and crispy one. So yeah, so ignoring your preview. So you could use sprite sheets like that if you find your own. When you say so you can find your own images on Google Images, I wouldn't recommend that. Like, I've just Googled oh whatever. Tower defense assets free. Like, you're gonna find stuff like this. I'll say, oh yeah, I want to use that one. Bam, I'm gonna use it, but you might not be allowed to use it. So go to tools, usage rights, non-commercial reuse or with modification, and then you're limited. Then you've lost all this cool stuff because people don't want to share. But I'd recommend going for that for your ships. If you could use pirate ships, that would do it. Otherwise, you know, you'd have to do something. Basically, have a ship, and you just have to delete little bits, make it look it's damaged for your next sprite, and you just swap your sprites left and right. The music's gone. So, for example, like this is my sub image. So I would change my image index to change like 0, 1, 2, and 3. Anyway, let's get rid of that. Why is this flashing at me? But yeah, if you can use some stuff like that, like I don't know how they expect you to do 60% contribution of your own. What if you can't draw? I would fail that course. Like, there's no way I can draw my own assets. So sourcing them on Kenny. What else? Oh yeah, I was going to go somewhere else as well, wasn't I? Another good reference, good resource. OpenGameArt.org. It's not copying from somebody else's assets. Well, see, that's the thing though. I mean, that's not how it works in game development. It's not just, oh, that belongs to someone else. If they allow it, can I find information here? Oh no, wait, we'll go back to Kenny. I'll show you. You have to have permission. I think that's something you should learn in your course. Let's just say assets. Let's just say I wanted this one. License, there we go. You're free to use these game assets in any project, personal or commercial. There's no need to ask permission before using these. Giving attribution is not required, but it's greatly appreciated. But I think you probably might not be able to see that. Well, like, you've got to make sure you're allowed to use them, and then it's not plagiarism. Like, if you say in your work, I use these assets from Kenny.nl, and he's got the license, and you say Creative Commons 1.0 universal, no copyright, stuff like that, that's fine. But if you went, I don't know, Black Flag Boat, if you went to Ubisoft and decided I'm gonna save this, I'm gonna use this image, you fail your course. It's plagiarism. So you just gotta make sure you've got permission in the license, and that's it. Like this one as well, look out for giving attribution, because some people say if you use it you must credit me, and then if you don't, they might never find out. You should do it. You should follow the rules on your license. Like a lot of stuff here on OpenGameArt.org comes under public domain, Creative Commons, stuff like that. Sea Warfare set. There you go, you got some ships: battleship, carrier, cruiser, destroyer, patrol boat, jet fighter plane, rescue ship. This is Creative Commons 3.0 unported. You are free to share, copy, redistribute the material in any medium or format, remix, transform, build upon the material for any purpose, even commercially. You cannot revoke these freedoms as long as you follow the license terms. You must give appropriate credit, provide a link to the license, and indicate if changes were made. So you have to credit for these ones, but you could use these. But let me know, okay? So you've got to let this person know that you use it. That's probably like I'd say that's like the biggest rule in game development, is follow your licenses. Make sure you you don't, even if it's accidentally, don't accidentally use someone else's stuff, because you say, oh, I didn't know, but you should know. Okay, that didn't work at all. I've lost my thing now. Oh, great. I forgot that this was not okay. This whole thing where I changed all these, so I can get rid of that now. I actually can't. I thought it was already in the event, so technically I could just set up a collision thing for it now. Whoops. Let's try this again. I just don't want these to destroy instantly. Oh wait, no, from them they do actually, don't we? I mean, it kind of works, it just doesn't... Like, for now, for a quick fix... Trap health, give it 100 health. See how long that survives for. I mean, it'll hit like 30 times a second, so... It might not work. Okay, that works, and then they're gonna, yeah, then they'll speed up again. Right, that works. You can't put these in corners. Okay, well, let's fix that. Sprite index equals SPR barricade. Trap health equals 10. Sorry, my bad. Right. They changed something. They changed the walls, and I don't want to make them. Don't want to make them last forever. Yeah. Okay. There we go. There we go. That works. Thanks for the ideas. I have to ask my professor if I can use these. Yeah. Just say like, can I use assets? Oh, let me just say it now. So you've got Creative Commons. I'll just put it in the chat there. If you can use them there. But I just don't know how I can code these assets. Well, that's the point of the class. That's what you're supposed to learn. Still kind of new to monogame. I mean, if those are too much for your current, like, what you've currently learned, then you might have to consider other options. See, I think with monogame, you have to put it. Make sure it's like the content is in your content folder, and then something like image equals content.load. And you got text to ship.logo, ship.png sort of thing. You have to make sure you put it in the right folder and everything. But your professor will be able to help you with that on the course. I think I'm happy with these now. Use oil size, sprite collision, need sound effects. Lost direction bullets. Happy with that. Okay, so definitely need sound effects. Damn, this is the bit we need to do now. I've got sounds here. No, game dev, all sounds. The name I want to look at is Pro Sound Collection. I'm just literally going to. Oops, I'm going to open that. Cancel. So, what do we want to look at? Guns. That'd be crazy, isn't it? Yeah, this is going to be loads of crazy sounds that I'm not going to use. There's going to be like one that I can use. Wait, I don't want it to be too loud either. I want it to be like, you know. Weapon cannon shot. Oh, 4. So that could work for Tower 1. Did that before. There you go. I like the first one. Where are the rest of these? Weapon cannon shot. Hole 1 for Tower 2, possibly. Okay. So we don't want automatic stuff. Submachine gun, auto. Don't want shotguns really. So we want to look at cannons, gun tanks, submachine gun, shotgun, semi-auto, rifle, sniper rifle, maybe. I don't think sniper rifles will be what we want. We don't want to load. Although reload, maybe actually, to let them know the towers can fly. No, I don't want to go with that. I don't want to do that. Sniper rifle shot. Revolver pistol. We don't want anything automatic. We don't want gun barrels spinning or anything like that. Is this what being a programmer is all about? Just trying to figure it out yourself and not making someone else do it for you? Well, depends. If you're a manager of a team of programmers, your job is to make people do it for you. If you were hired solely as like you're the only programmer, it would be very bad practice for you to go, okay, yeah, I can do that. All right, listen, Freddie, can you make me this game? Cheers, bud. Like, you know, there's 2 instances. You kind of want to make sure you do what you're hired to do. But if you can't do it, if there's something you can't do, you just need to say, like, look, I can't do that. Can we find someone that can? It's risky because you might, you know, get fired or replaced, whatever. Don't want that one. But yeah. What is awful? So these are good for different games, though, obviously. gun rifle shot 1 might do better for tower 1. Okay, so what else do I want? Cannon shot 04, cannon shot 01. Oh, okay. Select all, and then deselect, deselect, and what was it? Gun rifle shot 01. Remove all them. Okay. Making games is harder than playing games, definitely. Like, if you, what's a hard game? If you look at Dark Souls and you think, oh man, this is really difficult. How difficult do you think it was for them to make it that difficult? Like, to make it so you can't just walk through like, you're dead, you're dead. Well, there's a lot involved. Like, if I had a team, then there'd be specific roles. There'd be people that handle the sound effect stuff. There'd be people that handle the music, the artwork, the actual design of it. Like, I'm messing about trying to figure out what size this should be and what size these, that. The map itself, like where these would go. Luckily, like these were handled. When was it now? A while ago, I was trying to figure out, or maybe I should put this tower here, this tower here, this tower there. But the person that made this stuff created this sidebar. Which, like, when you try and figure out things, the worst part I think would be a design thing for this kind of game is the maths. You need to figure out how much damage you should do, how much you should increase for upgrades, how much things should cost, how quick things should be, how often things should spawn, how many things should spawn, all that sort of stuff is more of a design thing. Oops. There we go. But yeah, I think I can do it if I just start it and spend some time on it instead of procrastinating and not doing anything until the last minute, last day before it's due. Definitely. I started messing around making this tower defense game in February, and I just stopped. I got busy. I just didn't do it, and then what's before November? It's October, isn't it? It's not August. August, September, October. Yeah. It was about the 15th. This Monday, I started working on it, and then I think it was the 24th. I published the first version. And I want to, if it's about a month later, I'm ready for like the final version. Like, but what you're looking for is you're publishing your first version that functions, that works. It may have bugs, but all games do. That's part of it. If your class is expecting to have a perfect game, well, then again, though, you're just starting late, aren't you? How long did they give you originally? Well, yeah. I think this for tile 1. See, this is going to be a problem, see. Now I'm clicking it really quickly. Like, that's what it's going to sound like in the game, innit? When you've got multiple towers, like. So how hectic is it going to be? Alright, you can stop now, buddy. You can stop. Let's just put that for tower 3. Let's just try it out. I mean, what else can I do? Gun rifle shot 1 I like. Cannon shot 4, cannon shot 1. Sound for tower 1. Sample rate. Is there a way I can change the volume? Nah. Okay, so what's this? No valid eternal editor has been indicated for this type of sound. You can specify this editor in the preferences. Okay. Because I want to change the volume a bit, I guess. We'll see. So I want the gun rifle shot. Yeah, let's turn that the fucking down. Let's see if we can lower game volume, sound volume. Download Visual Studio. Yeah, man. You just gotta realize, like, if you just start doing it, you might enjoy doing it, and then like take it from there, innit? Apparently, so let's add that in. That's fine. Say no master controller. No, how to do this then? Audio group set gains, sound volume. Okay. Group ID. I don't want to set a group, do I? Let me just. I'll just Google this because I'm not familiar with the sounds in this now. So audio groups. Audio. Audio sound gain. Maybe this can be the volume. What? Audio checks a variable, and if it returns true, it will then assign an index of sound we played to the local variable sound, or SND. The variable is then used to reduce the volume of that specific sound to 0 and fade up to full volume after 5 seconds. Okay, so I don't want to fade back up, but I'll do it for each sound index, right? Audio set gain. No, what was it? I forgot. Sound gain, okay. Do 3 and do 2. Put them at 0.1. I'm hoping it's not going to blast my ears off if I get this wrong now. So I don't want for tower 2. Cannon shot 1. Wait, I've got a volume button right there. Are you serious? Was that not there a minute ago? That was not there? Oh, wait. Okay. I don't know. Let's just see how this goes on this one now. It's gonna suck. It's gonna be really loud, isn't it? If you can shoot. Instead of repeating it a million times. I don't know how you do this now. How do you play sound? So the sound ID. Oops. Okay, right. So it's only have one priority loops, yeah. No loop. Okay. So if I do that, so over here, I'll do a tail one. My shooting needs to change because I'm doing it twice, but just want to see if it works for starters. Let's see how loud this is going to be now. I mean, that's not too bad. I genuinely thought it was going to be like a proper earache then. But let's see what it's like here now. Different intervals, intervals be the word. So I don't want to get spammy. So if they do shout at the same time, fire at the same time, can I perhaps check if the sound is finished? There's some obsolete origin function we designed specific music. This function is no longer working. We'll give an unknown functional script. Okay. The issue is the sound is more than just what you hear. It lasts for a second or two longer. So it works, but not quite. I don't think I've got any audio editors. Fuck. Fucking Microsoft Edge, come on. Don't want to go to Bing. Audio editor online to use. Can't really do a streaming, can we? Well, I mean, it works. I just need to adjust the sound a bit. So I'm going to put it in here because these parts won't change. It'll just be the actual sound file. This is Tower 2. Let's just see how bad it. I think it's because it's all got a priority as well, isn't it? What's the audio priorities? Channel priority. What does this mean? Then used to determine how sounds are dealt with when the number of sounds playing is over the limit set by the function channel num. Well, it was stopped. Oh, here we go. And the priority value can be any real number. The actual value is arbitrary. 1, 0 to 1. The image will prioritize them the same. It's making the sound loop. Okay. Channel num. So how many audio channels are available for playing? The base means is that you get the number of simultaneous sounds that can be played at any one time. Default is. Ooh. Okay. Perhaps I'll try something here. Free. Maybe free's not enough. It won't be enough when I put music in it and other sounds, but for now it should shut them off, lower them, sort of thing. And the script will give the new one the priority. This might turn out alright. Why did we not do it? Oh, yeah. Fat guy free note here. Go, go, go. Going, going, gone. Okay, I mean, again, as I'm going to say quite a few times, that works. Are these not playing? I don't know if I can hear these. This one's just not playing at all. So this is stuff that I don't know. All these sound settings, which is cool to learn, but it can get a bit irritating. It's like, why is this not working? And someone could come along and like, oh yeah, just click that. It's like, oh, GG. Wait, what noise are we making now? What? That's what we want. I was hearing a ding, 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 ding. Like, nah. Let's not be doing that. I feel like certain ones are just not working for some reason. No, okay, they're all working, Okay, so there's that. What else do I want to look at? I mean, you've got other things. Have you got background music here? What's this? Battle music. Okay, there's quite a few things here. Oh, this is pretty cool. Where's this from now? The Battle RPG. Can I use this? Check that out. Make sure. This is pretty cool. My favorite already. Gets quite sinister. I don't know if you can guess. Bit loud. Well, it changes its tune. I mean, it's for an RPG in it, so you're just like a battle moves like. But it's not quite what you want for a tower defense, I guess. What else we got? No GT. Wait, what's this? What are all these? Oh, okay, it's different versions. I like this one where it pipes up. And how it starts well. So does it end that way? Kind of works. Bass and rhythm. Just like a boss fight kind of thing. It's a bit too sinister. Take courage. So I wonder how the priority works. Can I give the backing track a priority of like 5, and will it always stay on? Courage Light. I mean, this sounds pretty cool, to be fair. This is what you got from that Humble Bundle. It's got the, I don't know, the DRM-free thing attached. I forgot what it is now. Digital rights management thing, I think it is. So Courage Light, I like that one. What else have I got? What's a stinger? So this is 20 seconds. I see where we're going with this. Okay, so I think that either that, something about the assault. I'll take courage. How are these for? Well, maybe not that one. That one seems a bit too hard. Oh right, no GT, no guitar. So I'm sat there playing tower defense. I'm getting pumped up now. I want to fight bosses. Okay, let's put Destiny on. No, I'm kidding. See, it drops here. I don't like drops. I don't like that. Do you drop? So you liven up. This one livens up. Oh no, it still drops. Okay. Oh, we've got to take courage. I like how upbeat it is. Really cool. Oh, it still drops. I was gonna say this could be the one. Game music, stingers, and UI sound effects pack. Funky Chill Loop 2. Maybe this one. Might be worth trying Funky Chill. This could be good. Medieval, nah. Pro Sound Collection. Have we got any music in here? Backgrounds. Oh, but wait, no. Maybe not. Air compressor. Yay. Why would you have that? Like if you wanted to make a tutorial on YouTube and you had crystal clear volume, put this on in the background just so you get more comments. And this is not quite what I expected. Why have we got air vents and vacuums? Construction building. Alright, it's background noise, I understand. Does this truly loop? I could try this next time someone phones me. Turn this on pretty loud. I'm just in the marketplace. Can you hang on? I'm gonna try and listen now. Come on, when is it? Right, happening in a second. Apart from the noticeable drop, it sounds like it loops. That's pretty cool. Okay, I understand why it'd have all these background noises now. So someone wants a meeting. I can't talk at the moment. I'm in a restaurant, I'm in a cafe. No, this is awesome. Quiet urban park. Where are you? I'm just in the park. I mean, just at the Chinese shop. I'm gonna go buy some noises. And I'm back to the game. Okay. Yeah, it's not what I expected when I saw backgrounds, but it's still cool. Cinematic sounds, comedy cartoon doors, electric hums. Someone's gone to extreme lengths for this stuff. Retro classic. Impacts, jumping pirate robot, spaceship, teleport, weapons. Nah, I don't want like pew pew. Yeah, that. For a space shooter, perhaps. Nah, that's too much. No. Wow, that is retro. Retro is not. It's not where I fit in. Oh, you got retro classic. I didn't realize there's two. Synth beeps. Yeah, that's not. Wobble. Wow, all of these sounds, man. You got voices. Alright, I can't do the next one because I only selected one. Stop. What the fuck was that? Oh shit. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun making a fucking RPG. It's getting a bit weird this now, come here. Alright, we'll be like the breath ones are a bit weird. Let's. Alright. Can we just move on from this silly stuff now? Go to the phone. Don't cry. What does cry sound like? Oh shit. I mean, I don't know. The thing that makes me laugh the most is someone, probably the same woman, has been given a list of things, and she's literally had to just go there and make these sounds. How did that one go? Right, listen, love. Can you pretend you've just been stabbed? Oh, days. Jump. Okay. Do it your way. Push, tired, expression. I need to make a game with a robot, and this needs to happen. Just have it break. Oh, a growl. Alright. Oh shit. So these are weird. I don't like the laughing ones. I really like. I mean, right, they make me laugh, but I mean, to use in a game, they sound dreadful. Oh, it reminds me of what is it now? X-2. What's the evil lady? Let's look at the characters now. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Antagonists, other characters said, Labrasco Lancher. Was it enemies? Who are the people? You know, Waka, no, Pain, Riku, Sin, Jack, Seymour. What? X-2. I've not played it in such a long time. I probably don't even know what it is. It'll take a while to find. Let's put some music back on. Shigun. Maybe you can help me find it. There's an enemy, stats. Do you tell me some information? Luca floating ridge normal. LeBlanc Syndicate. There we go. LeBlanc. Or LeBlanc, whatever. Okay, let's not be messing about there. I'm not going to find it. It's going to be too messing around. But like the laughter here. Like it just starts wrong. Like you know it's fake. Like that as well. Some of them did really well. But the laughter ones, anyway, gone way off topic. But yeah, they were fun to listen to. What voice about Human Radio, Monster. Not many for Monster. Cool. Okay, well, what was I doing anyway? Funky Chill 2. Let's go with that one because I forgot everything else. I don't know if that's everything I got in the pack or what, but no. yeah, so I forgot this then. So I'm going to do Funky Chill 2. Okay, so on the master controller, when you create audio, play sound, sound main, priority 10, loop, yes. Let's maybe change this to 5. I put this to half as well. Let's see how that goes. See what happened there is because everything inherits from that, everything's going to inherit the create event. That's why I have different controllers. OBJ, just call it audio. Because when you create a new tower, it's going to inherit the line that says, you know, why? Yeah, maybe I don't need to do that. Perhaps. Oh, I've deleted it anyway. Fine. Audio is playing. It's not playing. Priority give it 10 and loop. Okay. So let me think now. That should play it. If it's not playing. If you were to turn it off, right? Yeah. If you turn it off as well. There we go. Okay. If you were to turn it off by like a pause event or something, I'll have to make sure it remembers that. Make it like way quieter. I don't know how to change this. It didn't sound like going quieter at all. Priority 2. Just gotta make sure that other things don't have a priority higher. No, it's still loud. Oh, I haven't even done it. Great. That might explain it. I mean, this is good. Oh, you know what? I need to check. I need to check where these go now. I might have to move the path a little bit. Maybe I need to turn the volume down a little bit though. There we go. Now let's see where this goes. Might have to reduce, like, move the path a little bit. Oh no, that's actually pretty perfect. Okay. Okay, so what have I got? I've got HP. What's it called? Current HP. I forgot what this is now. Draw effect. Nah. Effects. The following function exists for creating a build in particle effects. Effect create below. Okay. So maybe it's not actually a draw event. Okay, that could work. Hold run explosion. Let's just try that. So yeah, forget the draw event then. If we don't have to do it now, that's great. Destroying. So instance destroy crate. The explosion. X and Y on my position. What's 2? That's the size. It's probably a bit big. Color. Nothing that matters. Also destroy and create that. Getting there. We can get these effects back on. They should do it for when the towers destroy them as well as when they hit the HQ. I think the size might be a bit too big though, but yeah, just a little bit. If someone's like proper watching, it's like, poof. But why has it got blue? Wait. I don't understand this now. I don't know. Let's just put that to. If we do 1, what's the lowest? Is it? I think the lowest is 0. Let's try a 0. Might change the colour to be black. Okay, so maybe we need one sound when they destroy. Okay, that's cool. Now I'll put the other music on. Welcome back to RPG again. Okay, I might just go with that. Defeat music loop. What's a stinger again? BRPG. Sound for game over. OBJ game over. Right, so what we'll do now is when the lives get to 0, I want to create this object which will disable everything and do everything it wants, and that would be what. So what do we want to do on game over? Read last wave. I want to draw a sprite. Map. New path. Spawn a few enemies. So we'll draw last wave. I'm pretty sure it does it in order, doesn't it? So I'll be able to get the value of the last wave and then disable everything and stuff like that. Let's try. How do I disable all the instants again? Deactivate, that's it, deactivate all. Okay, so on create. Shut down. Last wave equals obj. Was it dot wave or dot waves? I think I had two at one point in there. Wave, okay. Yeah, no, what is it again? Instance deactivate all. And what? Not me? What's called instance activated? True, yeah, true. Okay, so now what did I say what to do? So draw wave, draw map sprite, draw buttons, restart game, or quit game. So now I need to find that sprite, as a matter of fact. Oh, this is going to be joyful. Might be in the Google Drive. Oh, there. Okay, so game over map, put on the miscellaneous. The width of 999. So buttons equal true. We'll get out of the create event. So out of the draw event. So that's my X. Oh wait. The Y can be 100 and wave. Draw last wave. Y. Room height divided by 2. Okay. If HQ health is less than or equal to 0, just X and Y, OBJ, game over. So in theory, this should shut everything down and draw some new stuff. We'll see. I'll just skip. Well, I can't skip. I mean, I have to wait till the next wave, sort of thing. It's like dun 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 dun. I don't know if it should make a sound when they explode. I think I said a look at that, didn't I? But we'll see. I might put a symbol in one of these corners just for turn off sounds, turn off muting music. Should make a sludge sound like shroop. Use it too much, they all sort of get stuck together, don't they? Yeah. I mean, that's just part of the game, innit? I just want to see now if the music will go off and everything. Game over that wave. Oh, mate. I called it something else, didn't I? Oh, my days. Last wave. It almost worked. Crikey. Because I don't imagine this would be perfect. Like, it'll need some adjustments still. But I've been working on it now for an extra couple of weeks since the first version, and I feel like that's got enough updates on it. It's on its, we call it 1.1, 1.0, but now it's like this has got a lot of updates to it, so I should put this out there and try and promote it a little bit, see if people like it, see what people think. I feel like it's got more functionality to it, especially with trap units, because previously it was just basically, this is a tower defense, it shoots, you put a tower, good job. And now it's like there's more to it. There's a boss fight that comes in. You don't know about the boss fight. HQ, why does that turn orange? What's got? Oh, what is this? Oh no. Now they're not too strong, but if you were to survive to light wave 50, you know, we'll see how it goes, I suppose. It's actually there's no small sprites here. So if you were doing just a gun only run, even these would be 2 stuff. Trying to break it some more, don't we? Okay. So it works to a certain degree. Last wave is 2. Okay. So everything's disabled, the map's disabled, so it's just got the raw background. Okay. So what do I want to do? I want to draw a rectangle, top left, bottom left. So basically, yeah, that's well easy. Okay. Wait. I don't think it changed its sound. Didn't even tell it to. Okay. Audio stop playing? No. Audio pause all, and then audio play sound, game over, priority 2, loop it yes. Okay, that's that. Now, so what I want to do here, game over screen, is our back rectangle. So starting at 0, 0, and then room width, room height, and it's not an outline. And this though, I don't know why this isn't the right size. Scale it up. 105. Well, that's not good, look at it. Resize canvas 1024. Okay. Does that fit everything? Let's see. Okay. And then we'll see how it goes from there. Do I have little music icons? Oh yeah, I've got loads of UI stuff now. Don't even need to ask anymore. What just happened? Huh. Wow. That's something that needs to be fixed right away. Okay, so how about this? If room equals our main, then you can fucking pick up towers on days. I think I might have noticed that back in the beginning and I completely forgot about it. Put it on my list as well. If I scroll up, I'll probably see it there. I'm like, oops, meant to do that one. It turns out I didn't do it. That's what I was saying about that. Okay. Oops, that's not how you spell global. Global. There we go. Okay, now let's see what I've got. Oh, right, this is not quite what I had in mind, is it? Is there a sound one on here? Oh, you got sound background, okay. Probably not what I had in mind, but you know. Then we're going to load this sprite, oops, in there. What do you want? It's 10. 10% of this size is what? That's a bit too big. Scale it by 50. Oops. One more scale by 50. I reckon this should be plenty. $2020, there we go. Start the next wave. Have a great night. Stream. Nice one, buddy. How you doing? How's your weekend gone? Been catching more Pokemons? What is the plural for Pokemon? Yeah, just Pokemon. Fair play. Just remember not to ever add an S for the plural. Yeah, okay. Good job. Right, there we go. So it draws my new screen. And it plays the sound. Cool. Kind of loud though. So. Oh, but what have I got to do here now? See, the main thing is. Well, I need to pause. Right, so I need to pause system for the music anyway for the button. But I think now, because I'm going to destroy the master controller, I'm going to destroy the pause function. So I would just have to, I'll have to carry it over onto the play sound, the DJ object anyway. In here, just like I've carried over the wave, I would also make pause or play or something like that, or music, and it'll be equal to objmastercontroller.music. That's what I'm thinking. Then play the sound, game over. I also want to set the gain. That's not it. I just wrote it a minute ago. Oh, audio sound gain, effectively. Not set gain, it's just sound gain. Let's put it at half for now. Mess around with it afterwards. Music equals obj master controller dot music. Because then if it's already paused through the master controller, it'll remain paused for me, kind of thing. Do I have a music here? No, I don't think I do. Let's see it. Okay, so the music equals true for now, and if it's true, if it's false, whichever, we'll make a switch. How's it? That's 5 to 1 though. So what's left here now? Read the last wave, it'll do that. Disable all, it'll do that. Sprite mount will do that. This needs doing. Draw a rectangle. I need to change the colour of this, don't I? Sound control. Okay, so I'll look at this tomorrow, see what little bits need to be done here now, and then this will be ready for releasing it. I'll be happy with that. What day is it? Monday. I mean, I may continue to play tomorrow. Pardon me. I think I'll be doing this stuff for one more week. If I finish this and I'm happy with it, great. Otherwise, I'll do something else. I mean, sorry, no. If I finish this, I'm happy with it, I'll do something else. Otherwise, I'll work on this, is what I meant to say. And then in about a week, should be the start of December, should be the new stuff on Destiny. I'll be playing that for a fair bit. See how that goes before Christmas, over Christmas, see if they make it snow in the tower. If not, we'll cry. It should do though, because it's going to give us a big update tomorrow, or Tuesday. Yeah, it should be good. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to stop here for today. Some minor updates needed. I've still got some placeholder sprites in there and stuff like that. My sell button. Oh, I need the front page. Front page needs doing. Front page. But once I've done that stuff, then we'll be good. Make sure I save this actually. yeah, and then I'll release this version tomorrow. And I may release it tomorrow night, tomorrow evening, afternoon, however it falls, it falls. And we'll take it from there, I suppose. But yes, until then, I shall catch everybody later. Pardon me.